You are going to love 2011 Liberty. The Jeep Liberty is quite capable off-road, one of the best in its class. Compared to the Jeep Patriot and Compass, the Liberty is more of a true Jeep with off-road prowess and bold, upright styling, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.